When you search for the best broom for tile floors, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to find the real standouts, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, O-Cedar Pet Pro Broom. Let's kick things off with the O-Cedar Pet Pro Broom with step-on dustpan, priced at $14.97. This caught my eye because it's designed specifically for pet owners, and with 16,500 reviews averaging 4.7 stars, it's clearly a favorite. If you want a broom that tackles pet hair like a pro, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The unique double bristle design allows it to remove 99% of dust, dirt, and pet hair in one sweep. The firm black bristles grab larger debris while the softer gray bristles snag dust and fine hair. Plus, the step-on dustpan means you don't have to touch any dirt when emptying it, which is a huge plus for hygiene. It's also made from 80% recycled plastic, which is great for the environment. Now, some people complain that the dustpan can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, for the price and the convenience of the step-on feature, it's a minor issue that most users are willing to overlook. This is perfect for you if you have pets that shed a lot. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty for large commercial spaces, but for home use, it's fantastic. Now, if the pet hair focus isn't your main concern, the next option might be even better for general cleaning needs. Product number 2, Kelame Broom and Dustpan Set. Next up is the Kelame Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set, which retails for $26.99. This caught my attention for its extendable pole design, which is perfect for people of varying heights. If you want to stand upright while sweeping, this is definitely worth a look. The optional extension pole adjusts from 38.18 to 50.39 inches, so no more bending over to clean. It features a 4-row bristle design that's dense and durable, making it effective at collecting dirt and debris. Plus, it has self-cleaning dustpan teeth that easily scrape off hair and dirt from the bristles, which can save you a lot of time and hassle. However, some users mention that the dustpan doesn't always sit flush with the floor, which can lead to missed debris. But honestly, if you're careful with placement, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a broom that adapts to your height and makes cleaning easier. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact option, but for those who want convenience, it's a fantastic choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually surprise you with its unique features. Product number 3, Ivandar Broom with Dustpan. The Ivandar Broom with Dustpan combo set comes in at $21.28 and has a sleek design that caught my eye. With 7,300 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's another bestseller. If you need a reliable broom for large areas, this is definitely worth considering. The heavy-duty bristles are designed to grab even the tiniest dust particles, making it effective on tile surfaces. Plus, the built-in dustpan teeth help you scrape debris off the broom easily, which is a big time saver. However, some buyers reported that the broom can be a bit bulky for smaller spaces. Here's the thing though, if you have larger areas to clean, the size can be a benefit as it covers more ground quickly. This is perfect for you if you often clean large spaces and don't mind a bit of bulk. Skip this if you're tight on storage space or need something more compact, but the value for money is hard to beat. Now, if cleaning versatility is your priority, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 4, DOLPLEAP Scrub Brush. The DOLPLEAP Scrub Brush with long handle is a unique option priced at $18.76. This one caught my attention for its multifunctionality, combining a broom, squeegee, and scrubber in one. If you want an all-in-one cleaning tool, this is definitely worth a look. The silicone squeegee is perfect for streak-free cleaning on glass and mirrors, and the adjustable handle extends up to 52 inches, so you can clean without bending over. This versatility means you can tackle multiple cleaning tasks with one tool. However, some users found the bristles a bit stiff for delicate surfaces. But honestly, for tough grime on tile and other hard surfaces, that stiffness is what makes it effective. This is perfect for you if you need a tool that can clean multiple surfaces efficiently. Skip this if you want a dedicated broom only, but the combination of features offers great value. Lastly, if you prefer a more traditional dusting approach, you'll want to check out the final product. Product number 5, True Dust Mop. Finally, we have the True Dust Mop for hardwood floors, priced at $17.99. This one caught my eye because it's designed for deep cleaning with its microfiber mop head. If you want something gentle on your floors while still effective, this is worth considering. The adjustable length from 31 to 57 inches means you can clean without bending, reaching those tricky corners with ease. The microfiber material is soft and won't scratch hardwood or tile floors, making it versatile for any surface. Plus, it's reusable, which saves you money on mop pads in the long run. That said, some users mention that it only comes with one mop pad, which can be a drawback if you want to clean a larger area. But honestly, the cost-effectiveness of being able to wash and reuse it makes it a great investment. This is perfect for you if you want a gentle, effective cleaning tool for various floor types. Skip this if you need something heavy-duty or for very large cleaning jobs, but for everyday use, it's a solid choice. So there you have it, the O-Cedar Pet Pro for pet owners, the Kelame set for height adjustability, the Ivandar broom for large areas, the versatile DOLPLEAP scrub brush, and the True mop for gentle cleaning. Each has its strengths depending on what you need, so think about which features matter most to you.